I remember one time we prank called I forget what
So we're
it.
back. Holy shit, who has that audio?
That's
It's not
me.
me.
Sorry, I got it.
No, 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 no. Ah, almost. Oh, damn it! How the hell did you?
All right, there
I'm,
we go.
I'm dead.
Sorry, Clank.
Okay,
This thing is a hair
nice.
trigger.
Are you recording with the software? Oh wait, I'm supposed to send you the audio, I remember. Do you have Dropbox?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. That's a lot easier on me.
Yep.
Get
Oh.
ready, Ratchet. Whoa. Check this place out.
And we're out of this
Gravity
place, I
field's
suppose.
broken. Hello, Rookie! Kronk, Zephyr. Man, it is good to see you guys.
It's good to see you too, kid. How's everything going with N-E-F-A?
I can spell, you morons.
What is this thing?
This doohickey is an Apogee Industries communication pod. We deployed them all around the planet so we can communicate and send supplies.
So you know where we are. That's great. You can come down and rescue me. Us. Collectively.
Well, no can do, Mr. President. See, we tracked your nav unit to planet Magnus, but someone fell asleep and piloted us into a darn asteroid field.
We're sort of stranded above the stratosphere awaiting rescue. But don't worry, when they get us, we'll get you. In the meantime, we've hacked into an old spy satellite to monitor your positions.
And we've set up a comm link with GromoNet. If you need weapons, just access one of these pods and wire us some bolts. We'll teleport the supplies to the surface.
Find a safe spot and hang tight, Rookie. We'll get you off this rock. And you, I'm watching you. Whippersnapper.
Vibrating dildos.
What?
Yeah, I'm adding them.
I said yes.
But won't that cost any money?
No, it's tech support, it's free.
Thank you for calling Rockstar Games.
The GromoNet Arc Lasher
Please
is the
remain on
most
the line
advanced
while we
kinetic
connect
energy
you to the
whip on
next
the market.
Can you
available.
hear them?
A single
Yeah.
flick of the whip
No, this call may be monitored or
stuns your
recorded
enemies
for
into
quality
submission.
assurance purposes.
Activating
Fuck your
multiple
phone,
whips will let out a blast of energy that stuns nearby foes.
We are now connecting your call to a
Shit, I won't talk.
technical
I won't talk. You can talk.
Can I help you?
I would like to buy GTA 4 in Uganda. I wonder where can I buy such a thing?
What system are you trying to purchase it for?
On the Wii.
It's not available on the Wii.
Why?
It was never made available on the Wii.
Really?
Really?
But I bought it just to play it.
GTA 4 is not available on the Wii.
What can I do? Like, should I sell my Wii and then get another system?
It's up to you.
Is it available for the PS2?
It is available for the PS3, the Xbox 360, and PC.
I have a shitty laptop. Do you think it works?
You would need to compare the minimum system specs of the game to that of the laptop.
What's the minimum specs?
Pull that up real fast.
Nick, get out of the shop.
I don't. All right.
Press
I don't know
Y.
how. Oh, there we go. I am bitch. Oh.
I caught one. All right, pal. Fire when ready.
Do I have to declare any of this on my tax return?
What can one do?
Okay. The minimum requirements for Grand Theft Auto 4 on the PC are Windows Vista or Windows XP, an Intel Core 2 Duo at 1.8 gigahertz, or an AMD Athlon at 2.4,
Sorry, Ratchet.
memory
That was my
1.5
bad.
gigabytes, free hard drive space of 16 gig, video card with at least 256 megabytes of dedicated memory, so an NVIDIA 7900 or an ATI X1900, DirectX 9 compatible stereo sound card, keyboard and mouse.
I have a Windows 200, 2K, and I have I'm not sure. It's like it's an i3. It costs like $5. Do you think I can play with that?
No.
What do you think I can do with $5?
Whatever.
Well, shit. Thank you for your help. You were very helpful.
Have a great one.
Fuck you.
Wait, is the call over?
Yes.
Okay. What the hell?
Y'all do know that prank calls are federal offenses, right?
Yeah, but it's a holy fuck! Get the fuck.
You have used that thing before.
Is it over? Oh my
Yes,
god.
I keep
Screw you, nasty. Dude, prank calls are federal offenses?
only if it's whatchamacallit, emergency service, and I'm pretty sure no one is gonna call Rockstar for an emergency service. Otherwise, when it's prank with that.
Dude, yeah, but we see so many online pranks on the internet, so I don't even consider this an online prank, do you know? Because we didn't even do anything bad.
Yeah, dude. I think he got it wrong because it's only a federal offense if it's like 911 or something. Like
I don't know a crap of these things, so.
I informed myself before I do this shit, or obviously I'm going to go into juvie or something.
Oh well.
Yeah, they basically can't touch it. We can just
Anyways, we're from Portugal, so.
Yeah, come here, bitches.
Nick, you're the only one who's going to have any problems.
They're gonna like trace my call. You just see.
Okay, they can't do that because at first they didn't think it was a prank call.
That was so funny. You're just like, fuck you.
Nick, he tried to commit suicide.
And then
Dude,
like, you
dude.
realize, no, it's only if it's a holy shit.
Holy shit, dude, I really wasn't counting on that crap, you know that. I was like, caught off guard.
I didn't know that you were still on the phone with them though. That was great.
Want to prank call EA?
EA Games, oh my god, I hate EA. I hate EA, so...
Well then, just let me put them on the phone. Let's see if I still have them.
But do you have the numbers in your
I don't
desktop?
think you're gonna be able to get them though. They're like, EA is a big company. They're probably gonna have like automated phone software or something like that.
But then you can ask for.
Thank you for calling EA Help, found online at help.ea.com. If you're calling about an existing case, press 1. Otherwise,
If you press 1 a lot of times.
How do you press 1?
Please try again.
please enter your case number, followed by the pound sign.
Dude, what the hell is happening?
I'm asking like...
You entered 2222222.
Nessie, come on with us.
If not, press 2 to re-enter your case number.
Dude, come with us. The thing is going to die.
Oh, really? I told you to wait. I'm setting it up, you know.
Thank you for calling EA Help, found online at help.ea.com. If you're calling about an existing case, press 1. Otherwise, please stay on the line.
Is it working?
In order to get you to the right person, please select from the following options.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah.
For Madden, press 1. For Battlefield 3, press 2. For Star Wars The Old Republic, press 3. For help with Origin, press 4. For FIFA, press 5. For The Sims 3, press 6. For any other game, please press 7 or stay on the line. Please log in to help.ea.com with your existing account and search for your game to explore our new help features, in-depth support articles, and information on how to participate in the player-driven community. Whichever service option you choose, we'll be ready to assist when it's most convenient for you. We appreciate your call and look...
Shut up.
Dude, can we at least continue
Thank you
this?
for calling EA Help, found online at help.ea.com. If you're calling about an existing case, press 1. Otherwise, please stay on the line.
Nasty.
I'm pressing triangle.
In order to get you to the right person,
something.
please select
Right.
from the following options. For Madden, press 1. For Battlefield 3, press 2. For Star Wars The Old Republic, press 3. If you're calling about your purchase of Star Wars The Old Republic through Origin, press 1. If your issue is of a technical nature or is related to account problems, payment methods, or issues around billing, please... You will now be transferred to BioWare support for further resolution.
Go BioWare?
Yeah, by the looks of it.
I'm gonna
Thank you
ask...
for calling Star Wars The Old Republic customer support. I'm Dr. Ray Musica.
And I'm Dr. Greg Zeschuk. We're the founders of BioWare, and we want to thank you for playing Star
Nick,
Wars The Old
okay.
Republic.
Dude, nasty, screw you.
To continue in English, please press 1.
Pour continuer en français, merci de taper 2.
What the fuck?
One. One.
Deutsch
One.
fortzufahren,
Wait a second.
drücken Sie bitte die 3.
What? Nick, are you still here? Nick.
Yeah?
Please
Okay.
listen carefully to the menu choices. Calls may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
I was just being quiet because
If your issue is of a technical nature, such as connection issues, patching and installation problems, or general game performance, please press 1.
Wait a second.
If your
I want to talk to EA, not BioWare. Ah.
Dude, simply let's continue and...
Okay, yeah, let's do that. But goddammit. That one with Rockstar was so awesome.
Yeah, Nick, can't you
Well, why did you die?
get... Nick, can't you get someone into the call so that you can prank call them?
I can call someone on my phone. I know a few numbers.
Nick, why didn't you grab the thing? Wait, let's all kill ourselves so Nick can get that.
Wait, why?
Don't press triangle, don't. Okay, kill yourself.
Okay, suicidal.
Yes, nice. Because there's something you should get.
Oh.
You didn't get, you just got through it.
I have a few numbers on my phone we can try.
Money, a politician's favorite word.
We've tried Manic Depot, that's one.
Press circle to get to that bolt. Press circle, dude. Okay,
go,
finally got it.
Got it.
And I died.
Anyways, we prank called what's it? I forget what it's called.
As long as it's free, it's okay.
Target, Jamba Juice.
Oh, Target.
Yeah.
Do you have GameStop?
We never prank called GameStop.
Oh, you should, like, your prices are fucking shit. You give us like 5 cents and then sell our games at $5 million.
Yeah, I just wanted to call and ask, fuck is up with your prices?
Yeah.
Like, fucking 5 cents for MLB 07 the show that I traded. Are you fucking shitting me?
Well, do you have their number?
Like a local number or like?
I don't know. Just export. I don't really know.
Alright, hold on. Let me look it up. Real quick. GameStop. Shit.
Well, I died.
Stop. Tech support number.
Dude, you shouldn't kill these. You should simply continue.
Yeah, but if you kill them, they won't explode.
Alright, hold on.
See?
I nearly got it.
Dude, come here.
Alright, here we go. Alright. 800, wait, hold on, what was it? 800 883 8895.
Can call it on the call, okay?
Alright, hold on.
Are you doing that?
Yeah, I'm like dialing it right now. Hold on.
Nasty, come here.
No, you come here. There's something we can get. Bolts.
Yeah, okay.
Alright,
Good work, cadet. Glory is ours.
alright. 800 883.
Let's
8895. Hold on. Alright. Ready?
Okay. I'm not going
you
to talk.
do the talk. You do the talk, Nick. I did the first one, okay?
Alright, I got you.
Dude, are you floating?
Yeah, look at me.
Let's go,
Nick,
Nasty.
are you there? Nick. Ah, I think he didn't add it to the call. Oh goddamn, Nick, you so stupid.
Fire when ready. Hop in. Get ready,
fuck.
Ratchet.
Nick.
I killed Nick.
Oh dear.
Can you text him on PSN?
No, he's already here.
Nick, you have to add it to the call. Just give me the number. What's the number?
800.
Wait, how do I add numbers actually? Lol?
It's on a dial pad. It's like right above the call.
800?
Yeah.
Come on, 800?
883.
883?
8895.
8895.
Are
you
you
can add it to the contacts and then you can just add it to the call. It's pretty easy.
Alright, hold on. Alright.
Nastu, can you come?
Wait, I'm just adding them to the call. It's pretty quick. Okay, I did it. No need for work. Let's just play, okay?
Okay.
Welcome to GameStop and EB Games customer service.
No.
To obtain a gift card balance, please visit GameStop.com and click on the gift card link at the top left-hand side of the page. Or, for immediate service, call the toll-free number located on the back of your gift card. 888-818-2915. That's 888-818-2915.
Why did you repeat
For
it?
Power Up Loyalty membership or Game Informer magazine subscription, press 1. For
I like
Impulse,
Game Informer.
PC digital gaming, or downloadable content, press 2. For online retail order inquiries, press 3. For your neighborhood GameStop or EB Games store, press 4. For gift cards, press 5. For all other inquiries,
Oh,
press
dude.
6.
Me and Nick died.
I be dodging
Are you
them.
still there?
For Power Up Loyalty membership or Game Informer magazine subscription, press 1. For Impulse, PC digital gaming, or downloadable content, press 2.
Dude,
For online retail order inquiries, press 3. For your neighborhood GameStop or EB Games store, press 4. For gift cards, press 5. For all other inquiries, press 6.
We will not hurt you, little creature.
No.
We need to press 5. Wait, I'll do it.
Alright, I'll talk.
Oh shit. Okay, I'll just press 5 next time.
Alright. We'll just do that and then I'll... Just press 5 and then I'll talk. Because you talked last time.
Okay.
Welcome to GameStop and
Shut up.
to obtain a gift card balance, please visit GameStop.com and click on the gift card link
What?
at the top left-hand side of the
Okay,
page.
shut up.
Or, for
Gift
immediate
card.
service, call the toll-free
Seriously,
number
they
located on the
ask-
back of your gift card.
They advertise so much.
888-818-2915. That's 888-818-2915.
Do you see that?
For Power Up Loyalty membership or Game Informer magazine subscription, press 1.
This will come in.
For Impulse, PC digital gaming, or downloadable content, press 2. For online retail order inquiries, press 3. For your neighborhood GameStop or EB Games store, press
pressed
4.
5.
For gift cards, press 5. For all other inquiries, press 6.
Oh, it's 6.
Yeah.
I thought it was 5. He said 5,
Are you
right?
still there?
For Power Up Loyalty membership or Game Informer magazine, your call may be monitored or recorded for quality and training purposes.
Oh.
Please hold for the next available team member.
Hi.
Shit. What if our call gets monitored?
They can't know where we live, so...
That's true.
Even if they do, we're just a bunch of kids doing stupid stuff. It's not like the first time they're getting that.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Anything happening?
Wait, I think it's still dialing, so we got to do something.
We are experiencing higher than normal call volume. We know that your time is valuable and appreciate your patience.
Oh,
Please continue to hold for the next available team member.
Please suck on my money again. More.
Come on.
Come on, GameStop.
I bet they're having lots of prank calls right now.
GameStop. Come on, GameStop.
For fuck's sake. At least you could give us some music or something.
Who is that?
What? It's the call, that boom boom boom. It's the call.
Dude, we need to...
Oh, come on, GameStop.
Why you do this?
Come on, GameStop. Take off.
Why you don't leave your brother hanging?
I think my brother wants...
Please hold for the next available team member.
What?
My brother wants to join. Can he join?
Yeah, sure thing.
Go grab a controller and play. I think there's a controller in the other room.
Hold on. There's someone at my door.
Shut the fuck up and go away.
This will come in.
No.
This one they won't pick up.
We are experiencing higher than normal call volume.
Fuck you.
We know that your time is valuable and appreciate your patience.
Okay, no point. They aren't picking up.
What?
Where's Nick?
I heard a scream and he went away. Nick's on about, where are you?
Damn it.
Probably I'll crop a lot of things in this part.
Why?
We were...
The call?
No, not the call.
The call is fucking awesome, dude.
Yeah. But, for example, this part, why the hell do I want to have a 5-minute loading screen on the shop?
Loading screen?
Not the loading screen, but a shop screen.
Oh, he's here.
Yeah.
Or at least his mic is muted or something.
Nick's gay. Nick, come on.
Not this.
Where are you?
Here.
That is magic. Dude, you can press start, I think. Press start.
Okay.
No, I'm telling my brother to press start.
Nick.
Press X. Yeah, you're... My brother's here.
He died. Come on, where's Nick when you need him?
Nick!
President Quark is back in the game.
I'm on my way.
I think Nick's dead.
Trust me.
Oh, good.
Why am I supposed to know? Oh, who entered the shop?
Oops. Nick?
Yeah?
Yay!
Okay, finally.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
Someone showed up at my door.
Would you kindly give us a moment to talk about Jesus Christ?
My brother joined us.
You wanna know what? That's actually, who fucking called?
Huh?
At my door. I was like, oh, I don't.
It was a Genova witness?
Jehovah.
Isa. I do guess.
Nasty slow motion. Oh, I died. What the hell? How did I die?
It was them? Really?
I don't know.
No, I'm asking you, Nick.
What about yeah, it was.
It was a Genova's witness?
Genova. Genova.
Ah, fuck you.
Genova's the one from Final Fantasy 7.
Genova's witnesses.
They want for the meteor to fall on Earth. And
wow, I didn't even know. I was just, I don't know, it's usually them.
It's Jehovah, right? I think.
Like, I never got Jehovah's Witness.
I have.
If I lived in America, I was like, don't you guys have anything better to do with your time? You're just praising some god.
The answer is no. They really don't.
What?
One.
R1.
So what about the prank call with GameStop? Did it work?
No. They won't pick up for some reason.
Alright, hold on. Let me try,
dude, but you have to add them to the contacts and then add that contact to the call.
Alright, hold on.
You can't just call them. That way you leave the call.
Alright. GameStop.
Try Target or something.
Alright, hold on. Just getting it right now. I'm gonna say 800.
Remember, add them to the contacts and then add that contact to the call.
Alright. So add people to this call. Where is GameStop? Where did I just put it? Shit. Where did it go?
I don't know. Oh, when I come back, I only come back with 1 HP.
Didn't I just add fucking... God damn it. GameStop.
Fail. Yeah. Oh, he came back.
Fucking got it. Let's see. Alright, let's go. Add people.
Hop in.
Where is it?
Alright, Nefarious. Let's do
Right here.
Oh, come on, let's play.
Where is it?
Yeah, let's play.
Yeah, let's just get this over with.
I am ready. You ready, pal?
Alright.
Oh shit.
Wait for me, please.
Wait, what the hell? Why the hell? Dude, where the hell was I?
You dead now.
Oh no shit.
Get ready.
Oh, it's those things.
Voltergeist. This name remembers me a Poltergeist. I don't know what's the name.
I saw Poltergeist.
Isn't that like a bad guy?
It's a movie.
Yeah, but Poltergeist means ghost
It's like
or something.
No, it's a Poltergeist is it's a ghost.
What did I say?
I am an idiot.
It does. I thought it was like a rapist.
No, Poltergeist is a ghost.
Really?
Yeah. Ghost.
Or like haven't you ever seen the Poltergeist movie?
Kill it with fire! Kill it with fire!
No.
Kill it with fire.
Dude, you remember how many times
fucking
do you remember how many times we died in this part, Nasty?
Yeah, I remember.
Wait, you guys remember this part?
Yeah.
Yeah, we already played this part.
Shit. Bad.
You just have to shoot them.
You have to kill it very quickly or they'll screw this up.
Shoot this one first.
Yeah, shoot this one.
Why are you shooting at the other one?
I don't know. I don't want to shoot at the other one.
Oh, cool. Ah, shit. Oh wait, you guys survived.
No.
You and your brother stay there for a bit. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Everyone follow Nick. Okay, we got it.
Nick's on a boat.
Wait, what? There's something
what?
there.
What?
I want it. Oh, I want that.
Kill it!
No, don't kill it.
Wait.
Let's all die.
Oh shit!
What? Oh, my mom's calling. Amazing.
Awesome. Yay, they died.
Oh, doesn't she know that I'm recording?
Fucking dip.
Oh, wait a second. My mom's calling. Damn it.
Damn it, Mom.